What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. I know y'all see the title, man. Somebody always gets sad or something when one of the cars leave. Cause everybody got their favorites in the fleet. Everybody got their attachment, certain one. But today of the day, man, Train Smoke is about to be out of here, man. The car been sold, but the transporter coming today to pick it up. So I'm just keeping people in the loop, especially people that don't follow on Facebook. And man, I don't know, man. We just got some things planned and all that. So I'm about to wash it up. So I'm finna grab the car wash stuff out of the shop and all that good stuff, man. I'm gonna turn y'all on, so y'all stay tuned. All right, today is the day. Train Smoke is out of here, man. It's going to the new owner. The transporter coming to get it. He said I ain't have to worry about washing it, man, but since I got a head up, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it up for him, cause he pretty dirty. Man. So that's what I'm finna do, back this thing up, wash it. Transporter gonna get it, and it's going to Michigan City, Indiana. So it's going way up north. So yeah, man, Train Smoke finna be up out of here. Y'all stay tuned. We checking in, so y'all see Teeny out here. Help me out, making sure the tire spigot span. Got Train Smoke washed up, man. This thing here is nice. When you wash all that dirt off of there, you really see how clean it is. But we got it wrapped up, ready for the new owner. We're finna put the stuff back up in the shop and check back in, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all see it. It's getting ready to roll. It's out of here. Going to the new home. I'm sure he's gonna enjoy it. It's somebody that support too. He's been watching my vids for quite some time, so can't wait for him to get it. All right, everybody, it's the next day. I ain't had too much shaking cause transporter came, man. It was a family day. We had family dinner and stuff too, so I wasn't doing nothing. But now I'm out here cleaning the carburetor for a customer. I gotta get done, so I'm about to have him ready today, and I just got it yesterday. So, one day turnaround, man. I've been doing one day turnarounds and stuff, so I'm getting it knocked out for a customer. I got to meet with somebody. I'm grabbing 2 more that I'm have ready. I'm going to have to leave in about 30 minutes and get that done. And then I got to tune meats up today because it needs some plugs bad. And I don't know, man. It's going to be a busy day, but I'm showing y'all this upload late and stuff because I've been busy running behind. But y'all see it, Train Smoke is gone, man. Train Smoke out of here. It's gone to the new owner. It's going to be in Michigan City, Indiana. That's where it's going. So if you're in that area, you might see the car around. Shout out to my guy, John, man. John, the one that bought it. Like I said, good guy. He been supporting. Come on, y'all. Maybe that's just on the camera. Yeah. But he been supporting the channel, man, for some time. So I'm glad it's going to a good home and all of that. Like I said, the plan, like y'all know, man, I love Regals. I'm gonna have a Regal at all times. They're my favorite G body. Regal is my favorite G body. I have been searching for a T-top since, man, 2008, 9 or something. I was going to look at T-top Regals back then, man. I would find one every blue moon, but they just went up the par. So I've been looking for them well before YouTube, but I got the T-top now, so I don't need multiple Regals. I'm saying limited, like the same sub model. You know what I'm saying? So I'm still gonna get me a Grand National or Turbo Regal, one of the two, which is on my checklist, and that's the other Regal I will have. But the T-top is a limited. It's a T-top limited half vinyl, so it's actually a good one. It ain't a whole hard top, and I couldn't ask for better, cause that's what I want. And there was no need for Train Smoke. Train Smoke, nice car, man. I did want that car. I wanted that car. I owned it. I got to enjoy it, riding and all that. And you know, it's on to the next. So we finna get this thing rolling. Y'all about to start seeing videos on it, because I'm gonna pressure wash it and just clean it up, man. I'm gonna clean it up and pressure wash it this week. We got some rain coming through, so I don't know what day y'all gonna see that. We got 2 days of rain. So I'm gonna do that. We're gonna get the pressure washing and prepping, and then y'all know it's gonna be like back in the old days, man. My fam Rick, I'm gonna get him over here, do the locks, door locks, ignition switch and all that. You know, just a little prep work, getting a little stuff together on it, man, little knickknacks, cause this project is gonna be long and drawn out. So because of the nature of what it is, so it probably won't be ready until next year fully, because it's gonna take some time. So in the midst, I'm doing a little stuff to the fleet too. We getting stuff done and all that, and you know, all that good stuff, man. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog and all that, and stay tuned, cause we finna jump on the T-top this week. And yeah, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.